donkey and the fox in the brush. They formed a coalition in the twilight hush. They chased down a stag and a mountain of meat. Now it's time. Loop deur die plein van 'n neonverligte dorp. Die man en die leeuw was net rond en talm. Spog oor hul krag en hul stamboomtiere. Wie's koning van die land? Wie's koning van die see? Die man wys op na 'n marmer vertoon, 'n held in die tuin uit koue grys gekloon, vir 'n leeuw met 'n bronsbedekte hand. Sien, sê die man, ons is here van die land. Maar die steen is 'n leienaar en die bytel net 'n tool in die hande van die wenner maak die oorwinnaar die reël. Hey! Ja, die standbeeld vertel 'n storie waar die mens op die troon, maar as leeu's die beeldhouers was dit heeltemal anders gewoon. Die leeuw leun voor hem toe, gee die marmer 'n snuf, kyk na die held waar daar staan. Hy se geen sif, hy raak nie kwaad nie, hy brul nie eers. Hy kyk net na die man en wys na sy seer. Dis 'n mooi klein prentjie, dis 'n groot ontwerp, maar is gebore uit jou ego, nie my waarheid sterk. Jy hou die hamer en jy hou die mes. Jy kerf jou weergawe wat jou lewe pas die beste. As die pote klei kon hou, as ons werk deur die nag, sou die man net hardloop in die môrelig se lag. Wie se hand, wie se waarheid, wie se hand, wie se waarheid. Maar die steen is 'n leienaar en die bytel net 'n tool in die hande van die wenner maak die oorwinnaar die reël. Ja, die standbeeld vertel 'n storie waar die mens is die koning, maar as leeu's die beeldhouers was dit 'n ander vertoning. Kyk na die handtekening onderaan die raam, voor jy glo in die glorie van die naam. Geskiedenis word geskryf deur die met die pen in die hand of die bytel of die lens. For the spoils, it's time for the treat. Hey donkey, roared Leo, you're a fair-minded guy. Divide up the pile, give it a try. The donkey played it straight, split it 3 even ways, thinking logic and justice would win him the praise. Oh, the math of the jungle ain't the math of the school. You don't play fair when a king makes a rule. One for the pride and none for the ghost. Don't be the one who offers the toast. Leo looked at his plate, then he looked at the ass. With a swipe of his paw, the moment did pass. Now the donkey is dinner, a heap on the floor, and the lion turns round wanting even more. Hey fox, he purred with the drop on his chin. Why don't you try, let the sorting begin? The fox didn't blink, didn't utter a sound. He swept all the meat into one giant mound. Hey! He kept a tiny scrap, just a bumper it played, left the rest for the king, avoiding his fate. Leo smiled wide, while you're clever and wise. Who taught you to partition such a beautiful prize? The fox stepped back, looking over the grass. I learned it, he hissed, from the ghost of the ass. Oh, the math of the jungle ain't the math of the school. You don't play fair when a king makes a rule. One for the pride and none for the ghost. Don't be the one who offers the toast. Learn from the failure of the man who fell. Before you start ringing that dinner bell, take the crumbs, give away the gold, if you wanna live to be gray and old. Ha ha ha.